Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into the world of food preservation with the top 5 best Magic Seal food vacuum sealers of 2025. Whether you're a meal prepper, a hunter, or just someone who loves keeping food fresh, these vacuum sealers are game changers. I'll walk you through the features, pros, and cons of each model so you can pick the one that's perfect for your needs. Check out the links in the description for the latest prices and deals. Let's get started. Number 1. Magic Seal 16-inch Commercial Vacuum Sealer Machine. First up, we have the Magic Seal 16-inch Commercial Vacuum Sealer Machine. This beast is designed for heavy-duty use, making it perfect for commercial kitchens or large families. It comes with a double pump system and an auto-cooling feature, so you can seal bags back-to-back without overheating. 16-inch sealing bar for large bags. Vacuum and sealing time control for precision. Compatible with Mylar bags, which are great for long-term storage. Pros: heavy-duty performance. Double pump ensures strong suction. Auto-cooling system prevents overheating. Cons: it's bulky and not ideal for small kitchens. If you need a powerful, reliable machine for frequent use, this is the one. Number 2. Magic Seal NMS 300 Precision Vacuum Sealer Machine. Next, we have the Magic Seal MS300 Precision Vacuum Sealer Machine. This model is a step down in size, but still packs a punch with its commercial-grade double pump and 8mm extra-wide seal. Built-in auto-cooling system for continuous use. Works with Mylar, smooth and embossed bags. Compact design for home use. Pros: great for both dry and moist foods. Durable and reliable. Easy to use with intuitive controls. Cons: slightly louder than other models. This is a great mid-range option for home cooks who want professional performance. Number 3. Magic Seal MS175 Vacuum Sealer Machine. At number 3, we have the Magic Seal MS175 Vacuum Sealer Machine. This model is unique because it's a nozzle-type vacuum sealer, making it perfect for sealing containers or bags with attachments. Adjustable vacuum and sealing time. Compatible with Mylar bags. Automatic and manual modes for versatility. Pros: great for liquids and delicate foods. Compact and portable. Affordable price point. If you're looking for a budget-friendly option that's versatile, the MS175 is a solid choice. Number 4. Liquid Vacuum Sealer Machine. Coming in at number 4 is the Liquid Vacuum Sealer Machine. This model is specifically designed for sealing liquids, making it a standout for soups, sauces, and marinades. 90 kilopascal powerful suction for liquids. LED indicator lights for easy operation. Removable drip tray for easy cleaning. Pros: excellent for liquid foods. Compact and user-friendly. Built-in cutter and bag storage. If you frequently seal liquids, this is the machine for you. Number 5. Precision Vacuum Sealer Machine 8-in-1. Finally, we have the Precision Vacuum Sealer Machine. This sleek, compact model is perfect for beginners or those with limited kitchen space. 8-in-1 presets for different food types. 4 food modes: dry, moist, soft, and delicate. Comes with a starter kit for convenience. Pros: easy to use with preset modes. Compact and stylish design. Affordable and beginner-friendly. This is a great entry-level option for anyone new to vacuum sealing. So there you have it, the top 5 best Magic Seal food vacuum sealers of 2025. Whether you need a heavy-duty machine for commercial use or a compact sealer for liquids, there's something here for everyone. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on more reviews like this. And if you've used any of these vacuum sealers, let me know your thoughts in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.